February 2019, springtime. Old Celtic farmer here. Last year I made a video and I told you about the hawthorn tree and everything. What you're looking at right now is my compost pile. I just got through adding a whole bunch of earthworms to it. Now, there's an area over there on my man cave where I gather up all the leaves and everything. I just leave the leaves there during the wintertime, gather up the earthworms, and I'll mix it into my compost here. I'll stir this up, and then I got, this is some of my leftover potting soil from the plants and everything last year. And I got my wood chips that I used that T-Max. And now I've got a little bit of manure. I haven't cleaned out the goat pens or the chicken pens or the rabbit pens, so I've got a little bit of manure here. And I'll take a scoop of this and a scoop of that, 2 scoops of this, 2 scoops of that, and I will turn it all back into nature. Saves on the money, recycles. It's what a good person should do on the planet Earth, is to try to help it out instead of being so mean and throwing litter everywhere and garbage along the highways and everything that mankind has turned into, expecting somebody else to clean it up. Anyway, this is some of those trees I cut down or cut back last year, and the hawthorn tree is now starting to come out a little bit. I really chopped it back. Don't worry, it'll be fine. It loves a good haircut. And got some more now. There's a couple of them. I might go ahead and pull them on down. I'll keep the ones that are strong, that I need to fend off hurricanes, but some of the rest of them are real weak. They fall over real easy, so I'll go ahead and I'll take them on down. And I will not throw them into landfill. I'll go ahead and I will grind them up and turn them into wood chips and mulch and give back to the earth. The earth has blessed me, and so I'm trying to pay back in kindness and to be a good person. And I'm babbling on here, so yeah, I just check back from time to time. We got a whole bunch more videos coming. I'm real. I'm not fake. This is just what I love to do, and I love to teach you all to do it. Y'all have a blessed day.